We'll enter our ticker. We'll select a strategy from the list. We'll choose long or short. And this time for our earnings handling, we only want to see what happens if we do this trade during earnings. We'll select our backtest length for 2 years, and we'll trade every 30 days. And here are our results. We can see that buying bull spreads for VEEV has been a winner across the board, going from in-the-money call spreads to out-of-the-money call spreads. And this makes sense since the stock has been going up for a long time. But here's where the real analysis comes in. What if we looked at this exact same strategy over the same time period, but rather than trading earnings, we excluded earnings? That is to say, every time earnings came, we would close our position, wait for the earnings event to occur, then after earnings happened, we'd open our position back up again. We simply click Never Trade Earnings, and here are the results. This is remarkable. We can now see that if we avoided earnings, buying a call spread every 30 days for the last 2 years in VEEV actually was a loser across the board, and rather substantially so, anywhere from a 42% to 61% losing trade. If we want to see the details of any particular trade, we simply click on a tile. We can see the return, the number of wins and losses. Interestingly here, there are more winning trades than losing trades, but still, because the average loss was much larger than the average win, the strategy was a loser. And we can see that even though the stock has been up over 51%, buying call spreads if we avoided earnings was actually a 40% loser. We can always go down into the trade section and see the details, that is, every single trade, opening and closing, of the call spread. And this is where we face the reality that the top 0.1% of traders are keenly aware of how their option strategies will perform in the market. They've seen how their trades will work by simulating them. That's how the largest hedge funds and high-frequency trade firms are taking advantage of our gap in knowledge. This is why we created the CML-VIS Option Backtester, an institutional tool for everyone. And that is the ease and power of using the CML-VIS Option Backtester. Thanks for watching.